It is important to sterilize your baby's bottles to keep them clean and safe. Germs left on bottles can mix with milk and may make your baby sick. Luckily, there are simple and effective ways to sterilize bottles and protect your baby's health. You can sterilize baby bottles using hot water. Take a pot, fill it with water, and turn the burner to high heat. Allow the water to boil, then add the baby bottle parts, including the bottle, nipple, and rim. Use a clean pair of tongs to move the pieces around so they are evenly sterilized. Turn off the burner and place the bottle parts on a clean paper towel to dry. This method helps make your baby bottles germ-free. You can sterilize baby bottles using liquid dishwashing soap and a sterilizer brush. Place a bowl in the sink, fill it with hot water, and add some liquid dishwashing soap. Wash your hands for 20 seconds with soap and water. Take apart the bottles, nipples, rims, and other parts, then rinse them with warm water and place them in the bowl. Use a brush to clean the inside and outside of the bottles. Use a small brush to reach the bottom and clean the inside thoroughly. Squeeze the water from the nipple to help clean it properly. Rinse all the parts again and place them on a clean towel to air dry. You can use an electric bottle brush cleaner to clean baby bottles quickly and easily. Its rotating brush removes milk residue and reaches the bottom of the bottle for a thorough clean. It also comes with different brush attachments for cleaning nipples, straws, and other bottle parts. The rechargeable design saves time and makes bottle cleaning more convenient. You can use an electric steam sterilizer to sterilize baby bottles without using chemicals. Add water to the heating base up to the indicator line. Place the large bottle parts in the larger basket and the smaller parts in the upper basket. Close the lid and press the start button. In just a few minutes, the bottles will be clean, sterilized, and ready for the next feeding. You can also use an advanced bottle washer to clean, sterilize, and dry baby bottles automatically. Place the bottles inside, add water and a detergent tablet, then press the start button. Place the bottles on the bottom rack and put the nipples and smaller parts on the top rack. The powerful spray jets remove milk residue, while steam kills 99.9% of germs. When the bottles are clean and dry, remove them, empty the wastewater from the bottom tank, and place the tank back into the machine. By following these simple methods, you can safely sterilize baby bottles and help keep them free from harmful germs. Regular sterilization helps protect your baby and keeps the bottles safe to use.